All right, I think we're going on day 6 or 7 of the snow.
Are you gonna be mad if I waste this? Wait, hang on. Watch out.
If you what?
Waste it.
You spray it. You can just spray it everywhere. Yeah, that's what it's for. Sean's trying to make it down the hill. It's usually the first. Oh, whoa! Good job, Madison. Hey, there's a sled right behind you, Cole. Sean, you didn't get too far there.
Look behind you.
Well, a lot of the time it's the second time that seems to make you a little speedy because there's a track then.
You gotta like make a track.
Yeah.
But you might go into it.
Here he goes. Attempt number 2. Wow, videotaping. That's Sean videotaping. Well, and me. Yeah, you gotta do a little boom boom shaking. Yeah.
Cool, I waited at 8.
All right. I just cleaned off all that snow yesterday. We have some problems with these bushes, and I got all the snow off of them yesterday, and they're still drooping over. So, whoa.